Good morning, you beautiful people. Today we're going to be hitting Pistyll Rhaeadr. It's 9 AM. Today I'll be taking Joe and my hermit friend Vicky. Do not tell her I said that, otherwise I'm a dead man. I know I look like I've been on a 7-day binge, but I've actually just woke up, so I'm going to need coffee and lots of it. This is my second coffee. The third coffee is on the way. Porridge for breakfast. Once I've smashed all this in, got my gear together, I can hook up with the rest of the gang and then we're off. Let's go! So just arrived at the falls. £5 fucking for parking. I don't give a fuck how beautiful it is, that's extortionate. You guys good, yeah? Woo! You coming across, yeah?
Yeah, 1 second.
Good, yeah? Yeah. Vicky! Whoa! I think Vicky's going to get a picture of us. So we're just trying to get a bit closer so we can get a better photo. Like seriously, this place is amazing. Oh my god! You alright there, mate?
Lucky I don't put you in there. You stupid pig.
I'm going to venture a bit closer.
Come on then.
Do we attempt it, yeah?
Come on then.
Come on then. Go on in, son. Go on in, son. Oh, you fucking tit. Karma's a bitch.
Yeah.
Karma is a bitch. You got me. You got me. So watch where I'm putting my foot in here. What the?
Gone.
Vicky! We have lost visual on Vicky.
Where's she gone? There.
Oh. We found her. She'd wandered off down the slope there, past the bridge. Crazy, isn't it? Not as fierce as last time when I was here, but still incredible. So what's the plan? So onto the bridge,
get onto that ridge,
and then up there, yeah?
That way, yeah.
That's what we're aiming for right now. Just putting together a plan. So Vicky's gone MIA again, trying to track her down. She just keeps disappearing. She's like fucking Houdini. 1 minute she's there, the next minute she's gone. Let's have a look up here. Oh, she's there. Will you please stop disappearing? If the river was a little bit more wild and you disappeared, we'd think you'd been swept away. Right, come on then, dude. Let's go find this ledge. So when we hit the barbed wire bit, obviously, we cross. It's this way. Are you not coming with us? So, looks like it's just me and you, lad. You down?
Yeah.
It's just me and Joe.
Hamden.
Committed.
Hamden broski.
Let's do this.
That's where the ledge is. Right there.
No, it's not. It's there. I'm telling you now, that is where the ledge is. It's right there.
So you can
So what you do is you
a little bit there.
go through that barbed wire bit, so bypass that.
Yeah.
And then there's like a little path that takes you along right next to the waterfall. Then we'll be right beside the waterfall. Huh?
Can you stand on that rock bit?
So we've just reached the do not cross. Oh, they've re-barbed wired it. We're gonna have to climb over this side here. There used to be like a big hole where you can get through.
Oh.
So it's either go around that way.
No, that way.
Or go this way. Watch your foot in, yeah? This is not as easy as it looks. I'll find a way, hang on. Oh, damn it. Lost my foot in. This guy knows what he's doing. Oh, ledge. Fuck. Right, just to get Joe over safely now. So if you get your...
Is that electrified?
No, it's not electrified or anything. Yep. Go. That's it, that's it. On, yeah. You good? Vicky's down there laughing her head off because of all the mud on my my bottoms.
I've ripped my joggers too.
Man's reached. Man's reached. That was worth the pain. So me and Joe have just been assessing the arch. You can just see the arch there. But the thing is, if you wanted to cross the arch, you get to slippery rock from this point here. Life's a gamble. And that's a gamble I'm not going to take. So Vicky's just there. It's gnarly up here. This lad helped me over the barbed wire fence because I fell. Evidently. But it's worth it, man. Definitely worth it. Alright, I've got to get back over now. This is going to be fun.
Rock climbing tools.
Are there?
So what they don't look like, yeah.
They don't look like much, but they've got a lot of grip on them.
They've got a lot of grip.
Yeah, I think getting back over is going to be easier than it was to get in. Something kicking off down there. I heard something.
I did.
What you're going to have to do, mate, I'm just going to have to hand you down again, yeah?
Why don't you go around first?
I can't get round you now, mate. Oh, we better going down there, do you reckon? Down that bit there and round. I think we can do it, you know. Yeah, you seem to be managing it okay. Yeah, we'll do it this way.
Alright.
just trying to find the most firmest part of ground so it gets slip. Do not try this at home. Yeah, just met this sound geezer from Bradford. Geezer here, Matthew. On his own little mission. Where what?
Where that woman stood.
So you want to go offer a picture?
Yeah.
Do you want to take a picture over there? Yeah. What's happened?
No, just keep an eye on your stuff because these guys are going.
Oh, right, sweet,
My
sweet.
stuff are just over there, look.
Oh, on that rock there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think that's a nice little picture spot there, where they're at.
Yeah, that's what he wants to go now, so he's after this location. Hi. So I've got a completely different angle now. We were there, which took some doing. What are you doing, you teabag?
Just checking if it's sturdy so I can lean on it.
What, by leaning on it outwards? Have you seen the fucking drop?
Alright, well.
Right, your mum will kill me.
Well.
Right, give me your phone then I'll take some photos for you. Just watch your footing, mate, yeah? Go down this way. Here she is, the great Houdini. Had a bit of an accident, as you can see. Did you see that guy who passed? Matthew, with t-shirt, he's just walking over end at bridge now. He's from Bradford.
Oh, is there?
Yeah, like he helped us over and proper sound. Yeah, proper sound guy. What do you want to do then? Do you want to go up to the top?
Top.
The top, through the trailway, so back across the bridge.
Have we got time?
It's only 4:45.
How long does it take to go?
About 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah, if we don't fuck about on the way up, we should be alright. So I'm being fucking lectured by a 12-year-old.
13.
Whatever. About the laws of romance and attraction. Because I spotted somebody with a nice bum.
Who's got a boyfriend?
Say what?
Who's got a boyfriend?
But that doesn't mean you can't look. So Vicky's looking for a man. Not for that kind of thing, obviously. For some change. Whoa! And then is vandalising the place. So all you've done is moan about my driving on the way here. Taking your frustration out, lad. Yeah.
Is that chicken?
Whoa, so what? Oh, I thought it meant like a chicken. Like a dead chicken or something.
That's a lovely rock.
Right, so Vicky needs to find some change. Is it 40 pence?
Yeah, but I don't know if we've got any change.
I cannot believe the charge to go to the toilet. The cafe. Go into the cafe and buy something. This place is beyond words. Honestly. I would literally live here. Just walk further in. You've got like a balcony with some chairs on. But if I pan round, is that not the perfect view or what? You enjoying it?
Yeah, man.
I'm waiting for Vicky to get back so I can tuck into my cornet. So we're just waiting for Vicky to get back from the toilets. 40 fucking p to use the toilet. Come on. Loads of people are just arriving. It is jammed. Honestly, it's just rammed.
Yeah, then. Tell the lady what you did like to take card here as well. Yeah, do you want to just get what you want, bits, and then.
I wish she'd hurry the hell up so I can eat my cornetto. Honestly. Where is she? Oh yes. Oh yes. These are so underrated. So we're pretty much done for the day. Couldn't hike up to the top because the car park closes at 5 o'clock. Didn't want to get locked in, so. Skiing. What am I, German? It's been a good day though, still. No agreement there.
What?
You don't get much out of these two saps.